So, good morning, all. Today's session is mostly around the open discussion where you ask the doubt or any queries which you have. So, yeah, you can write in chat or also you can unmute.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah,
Good morning, sir. Sir, currently I am doing my discrete math, and I have completed graph theory and set theory. Sir, it is taking too much time. I have to do propositional logic too. So, what should be my approach, sir?
so graph theory is completed, no?
Yes, sir. I have completed graph theory and set theory, sir.
Okay, then propositional logic, it's like small topic. It won't take much time, I think.
Okay, sir. Sir, questions do come in PGEE exam from propositional logic.
Yeah, it's easy to medium level, not too much hard. So, like, look this all the definition and all things and practice all get.
Okay, sir.
It's I think enough for now. So don't forget that. Last year also come question for that. What should no means what is average marks you get in the all test series? General like 40 marks. Like cutoff is around 50 marks out of 90, but safe score if you score around 60, then it's fine. Like you definitely shortlisted. You should score at least 60. So try to reach 60 marks, but also 50 marks you got the seat. Yes, per previous trend. Yeah, 50 is also good. Try to improve like in aptitude or technical and go to reach at least 60 marks. So it is a safe boundary. So in aptitude, what you got marks? Yeah, 23 is good. In technical is out of 15. Yeah, try to like 40. It is easy to score. Like for the technical subject, which is out of 40, you can easily score around 35 if you prepare the all subjects and cover this all topics. So in aptitude 23, 25 is good. For technical, still have a chance to improvement. Yeah, 3 kilo. Yeah, it's fine totally. So you can ask doubt on the chat. Also, you can unmute yourself. No, there is no any sectional cutoff. It is the combined the both technical and the aptitude. So that's why I say the technical you got more score. So try to frequently revise the technical subjects. It is easy to score. And aptitude not have a certainty like might be question hard. And I think you still have the time to complete the remaining topic. Playlist, you can refer the YouTube playlist if you found like there is a lot of good fact. But But you also have a very less time, so I prefer to put more time in the practice than the like video. So try to solve the whole get PIQ at this time. And you can also like look for the one shot video for the any topic. You can find on the YouTube. Like search for any like if you not good at the profit and loss, then look the video for on that one. Yeah, Laplace transformation is important because last year is also asked this question. It is not in syllabus, but they ask. So, like, just look the superficially what is the Laplace transformation all. They're like just we need to find the ABC value if you some got idea in the BTech times. So. No, vector calculus it's not required. Just look the transfer Laplace transformation and the for your series. Yeah, it is in syllabus, combination circuit and sequential, but they not asked question from last year. So you can skip that if you don't have time. If you have time, then cover it. Mostly basic question come. Mostly digital logic. Mostly they ask question in around like frequency base or gate, decoder, encoder. So yeah, prepare all this topic first. Then if you have time, then look for the sequences because it might take time to prepare. Placement is decent, like not good as the previous years, but like there are many reasons. Like this year is also vacancy is also very less. The companies come not out, but the whatever vacancy on the previous year, it's not the same case in this year. And foreign placement, I don't think much company come from the foreign placement, mostly on the India origin. Yeah, but placement is decent. It's like in previous year, average have the 29, 27. This is not case for this year, but they definitely improve in the next year. They take the some steps to improve these conditions. No, no. If you prepare for the full subject, then doesn't require one shot video. Just revise the full for that any topic in years. Then one shot video is preferred. But if you already prepare with this full subject, then go through the full notes. It will be more helpful. एल्गोरिदम में लाइक डीपी कर देना बेसिक and the divide and conquer and most important thing is the time complexity like they might ask some algorithm you find out the complexity, so what is the best worst average. So solve out the gate PYQ, you got the idea like this type of question usually come also in PGE. In the summer internship around 30 student got placed out of 130.
Sir, for aptitude, where should I learn the tricks and short methods from, sir? I am solving Arun Sharma, sir.
Can you repeat this? What was that?
Sir, for aptitude, where should I learn the short trick from, sir? Like short methods and all, sir.
Yeah, you can refer the short method. Like, but don't memorize this all method. Don't require that. Yeah, just if you like in the profit loss, you have some formula like short tricks. So you can remember that one, but don't blindly remember these all tricks.
Sir, where should I learn from? Means from short tricks. Where should I get short tricks, sir?
Yeah, you can found in the like in video. You have enroll in the like full course like PG. Like I think there is one short video on the aptitude. So if you're not apply, then you also check out some YouTube video. They learn some short trick for that topic. Yeah, but don't memorize. I also didn't memorize this trick. So yeah, just learn the concept. It is enough.
Okay.
No, no, revision video. I prefer to revision from notes. Yeah, it's good for you. Like the revision video is just go through the concept and which is not helpful for that. I think go to the full notes. You have enough time. They're not released yet because the placement is still going on. So data is coming after the placement is completed. When previous year you can see in the website, it is good like 27 for CSE and 29 for CSIS. For Laplace and Fourier transform, you can refer the YouTube video. You can easily find on the YouTube. Like I also watched some one to two video in my time. So yeah, you easily find on the YouTube. Don't put a lot of time on this topic. Just go through the superficial and solve 4 to 5 questions for now. That's it. They're not asking this much hard question from that. Yeah, summer internship is allowed, but not officially. Like senior conduct the unofficially drive for the internship. It's not like CSIS is basic. Yeah, CSIS is just, but yeah, both have like, enough equal opportunity in the both like placement and academics all. But in CSIS have two compulsory subjects, while in the CSE all are elective. Yeah, CSE then CSIS. And if you want PDM, then you also can fill the PDM. Yeah, but PDM is bit different from CSE and CSIS. Placement is also different. So you consider that thing. Yeah, no, just look for superficially for the Fourier transformation. Doesn't require much depth. So if you just have an idea what is a Fourier series and just basic formula, then you're able to solve this question if you come if it come. PNC not much weighted, but one to two question asked in the previous years. That's why I'm saying, and it was easy. If your basic idea of the PNC, then you easily can solve out. So that's why I'm saying asking some. Mm. I think mostly all subject have equal weightage. Like I didn't found any like subject which have higher weightage. So prepare all subject. Mostly similar around 4 to 5 questions from the each subject. Yeah, but it might be vary. So they didn't release any specific while inform. Yeah, it should be a different. Like for CSC, CSS, and PDM, you can't feel like two same one. Go 3 months after the exam. So you can prepare all things like DSC or development, whatever you want. But there is no specific requirement. If you not have command, then it's also fine. You can learn after this coming to college. And you also like a 3 month, so it's enough time to learn this all of the stuff. I don't have much idea about that, but some of my friend apply that and also give the interview. and also they pass out, but they prefer the other quality. But yeah, if you're interested in the maths section, then it's definitely good option of ISL. Also, fee is very less, I think. So yeah, if you have like you mostly got the data science role in it, so you can prefer it. Yeah, all the preferences are different. You can't feel as the two choices CSE. Yeah, just build the PDM as a third choice, but at the top uh, round, then you can decide whether you have to whether you want to admission PDM or not. So currently you fill the CSE, then CSIS and PDM. Then you decide. No, that's upside like a PDM bit different the placement. Like mostly company not prefer that. For PDM there are separate role. For some company especially come from the PDM. So mostly they not allow in the SDR role. For the CSE and CSA is the same, but for PDM might be difficult. No, no. PDM is not a civil side. There is a one branch is a case. This is or inclined receiver. PDM is more a side of the management. Like you learn the software engineering subjects and some management subject, but placement wise having some difference. For differential equation, I would say go to the first order and some basic concept like I think there are in B, then put on this equation. So it's in branches, not CSE, like you found in the civil or mechanical. So for now, it's enough. Like they're not asking some much tough question on that. Previous year, for previous year placement, you can might check out a website. You can found it. For this year, it's currently on CSIS. So now just fill the preference third as a PDF. Then you decide all these things. Don't waste your time in currently. Like you have to prepare. So make your goal to secure another 150 rank. In syllabus means which syllabus in the PG is not MLRA subject. It's just CSE technical and the aptitude part. Yeah, feel the PDM is the third choice. That's it. If you now you now at the later you decide the what if you want to PDM or not. Just fill the CSE, CSA, and PDM. That's it. What would of the subject is it? For the discrete, I would say look the graph theory and the set theory superficially. Don't deep dive into much. Like it would take a lot of time. So go through the graph theory and set theory. And for algorithm, you check out some time complexity, divide and conquer. I think you have some basic idea of that, right? You definitely learn the bit take time. So yeah, for the engineering mathematics, first the engineering mathematics through the GATE syllabus. Then if you time convergence, divergence, and this all. For operating system, I think for now you can found the crash course in the YouTube. So yeah, it is better. Like if you left out with the full OS, then I would suggest go through the crash course on the YouTube. You will easily find that. Uh, but in which topic? Like practice question from aptitude, I already shared the resources for the aptitude. For the technical, just go to the get PYQ and the test series question. And in a DBMS to cover the transactional chain. It is not mentioned in the syllabus, but they ask question on that. But basic like conflict and use serializability and acid properties. So don't miss that. For aptitude, I would prefer the first get PYQs, means all branches get PYQs because it provides the variety of question and the mix of the difficulty level. So it would be easy. And for Arun Sharma, what happened like in the level one, it is many people say it's a very basic question. So much benefit. I would prefer first go to the get PYQ. Then if you time, then look out this Arun Sharma level one. Yeah, like yes, it bits hectic. Like there are a lot of assignments and projects, exams is all ongoing. And also all the assignment have the evaluation, so you have to prepare for the evaluation and have a class. Yeah, class is mostly like per subject have only two class per week. So don't have much class, but attendance rule is strictly like we have to complete the 85% of okay on the completing the assignment and preparation for the exam and all. What is the get result path? Yeah, due to some health emergency, like they resign this, but from the next year they come like already have the TNP officer assigned. So don't worry about that. For the comprehensive, around 8 marks, like they give the process-based question for four question in the each paragraph. So one might be feel easy and one might look the medium or too hard. And for logical, you can say around 12 marks. It also include the data interpretation in the logical part. So mostly question come on the data interpretation at our time, and also some other question like fill in this blank and all. So yeah, but logical part is bit feel easy like, if you're good at the logical part. For logical, I would say go through the gate PYQ and whole branch. You will find the most variety question of the logical reasoning, and it's also enough. Like you don't need for Arun Sharma or anything book for the logical reasoning. You simply waste time then. English, like 1 month is enough. Like, but I want to know like, what is your get marks? For subjects is more clear. So yeah, try out all the different get subjects. Like frequently revise, and I think you miss some topic during the gate. So try to cover this all backlog in this time. You definitely secure the good rank. So your subject is clear or some left out some subject or topics. Yeah, you require some practice or what. Yeah, almost all clear. Then I think you need the revision. So go to the all note, full notes. Don't go to the short notes for that time. For so yeah, do the frequently revision and try out solve the all get PIQ. You can also solve the 2 marks question also for the clear understanding of the concept. For the OS, cover the paging. It is important. Like paging and the distinct, you cover the deadlock. So deadlock, paging, process scheduling. This is all important and also synchronization. Yeah, I would say first cover the OS. OS is more important. No, no, it doesn't require get PIQ for the logical reasoning. I just say get solve the get PIQ for the logical reasoning from the all branch. You found a lot of question on that, and it's enough. Like they ask some medium level question and easily solve it. So don't waste time for the Arun Sharma for the logical reasoning. For the quantitative, you can check out this, but for reasoning, get POQ is enough. Yeah, but look the other bunches also, not just CSE. CSE, you found this easy question, so you want much benefit. In other branch, you found the very good quality of question. Secondary memory is not like a disk scheduling I'm talking about. Secondary memory is not a part of the OS, I think. It's a part mostly on part of the COS side. Yeah, but keep the base what really. Yeah, this scheduling file management is very important. Just superficially look out the topics. I think this scheduling have some basic algorithm, C-scan, C-loop. So it's easy. Yeah, mostly your time go around the process synchronization. Yeah, and paging. Like a deadlock and this scheduling, process scheduling, it's a easy topic. So it won't much take time for you. CN important topics. First is IP addressing is important. Then covering the broadcasting. Like it's also important to get. Then routing algorithm, media control access. Yeah, this is important. And also look the theory of the application layer. Yeah, in the and also TCP and ODP. I think in CS, yeah, CN have a vast syllabus. So what some basic idea of the whole topic. It is might be helpful. And like if you completely left out of the CN, like uh, still you not prepare that, then I would say during the test series, when you encounter the question, then I would say this learn this topic and apply some this concept in the question. It's the best strategy for you. And if you already covered the CN, then just revise the notes. For digital logic, cover the basic of DL, like all gates, then combination circuit in this cover like encoder, decoder, multiplexer. Cover this all things first. For the sequential circuit, I would not prefer like if you completely not prefer for digital logic, so skip that sequential circuit. Cover this all topic like I would say like logic gates and this combination circuit. And they ask yeah, if you found file organization is not in syllabus, you simply skip it out. Uh, in DBMS, relational algebra and other SQL and cover the transaction topic, basic of transactions. Yeah, you can simply indexing and then simply skip this indexing topic and the file organization and all. Uh, it's not necessary around Sharma. Like, and India be like a easy side, so I would it would be much beneficial for you. Like you found a lot of variety of question from the get PIQs. Like in the CS, it did feel you easy, but from the other like civil. So yeah, for first you can check out the India big site for the develop the fundamental of this topic. Then you check out the get PIQs. Yeah, they might ask some pseudocode for the C, and you have to trace the code and find out the output. No, no, B plus tree is not in syllabus. Yeah, you can simply skip out that. Like, Uh, yeah, for DBMS it's not include, but also there is then some OS topic related to the file organization. So for the DBMS, simply skip that topic for indexing at all. And like in operating system, I have some topic related that I think I learned the topic in the file organization. So learn that. But in DBMS, you simply skip. In DBMS, just do relational algebra, SQL queries, and transaction, basic of the transaction. It's enough. Indexing and this. No, just fill the VDM as a third choice. You have option like you have to opt for this course or not. So you can simply reject that seat at that time. Yeah, for OS it's important. Like it's having syllabus. They might ask some question around that. So yeah, look at this. Yeah, it is more logic based, and also they might ask some. They not mostly ask from the syntax based question, like you found in the gate PIQs. So similar question of the gate asked in the PGE. So yeah, learn the concept first. Syntax is not much required. Yeah, but look for the basic syntax like switch case, for loop, if else. They like might be some question or error base, like the compile error or what error. So you have some idea of the syntax all of this. So yeah, 1 marks is totally enough. But if you want more practice, then also check out for 2 marks. If your syllabus is complete. Yeah. For now, just first practice the 1 marks. Then for more practice, you can refer also 2 marks question. And also learn the data structure concepts, take you graph tree, which is also more important. Like they mostly combine the C and the data structure topic. Remember they have option for the edit or not, but you can check out like in future might be showing the edit option. Yeah, but try to secure in the under 150 rank, so you get secure seat in the CSE and CSI itself. Yeah, fine. For C and DS, yeah, it's totally fine. Like in the GATE, you found the very good quality of questions. In the PG, mostly ask some medium, easy to medium question. So yeah, practice. from the get BIQ. So so you all improving the marks on the mock test or stuck with the same marks? So what is your average marks like? Yeah, 45 to 50 is good. Like it's good. It's a good. So like found out the mistake. I also shared some strategy in the previous session, like analyze those question like where you mistakes and which topic you lacking. So mostly this topic around you practice more. So have the high chance to improve definitely in the next series, next test. And give the time on the analysis part more because analysis is more important than giving tests itself. So yeah, find out the weak topics and specific this topic practice separately. No, no, not yeah, noticing is more important. Like identify your weak topics and where you mistake in this specific topic. So like mention all the silly mistake, like you did not properly read the question, you doing some calculation mistake, all the note down the all the silly mistake. And the next time whenever you attempt the next test, just see this all silly mistake. So high chance that you won't repeat this mistake again. So yeah. So solving the all question, some topic is already clear, but still you're not able to solve question or you made some silly mistake frequently. So yeah, note that down. Like what is the silly mistake exactly you do in the series test. So next time it benefit to not repeat the same mistake again. And also learn this topic where you encounter some topic which is you lacking or not have good command in this topic. Then learn this topic first and solve out some get IQ or any question. Yeah, in this way you definitely improve marks. For the new topic, still here you have time. Like try to cover in the 10 to 15 days remaining topics. You can still prefer to learn this new topic. But from the last to 20 day, you mostly give your time in the revision section. So yeah, complete your mostly new topics in this time. So yeah, I think you don't have any doubts, right? So we conclude that. Do you have any doubts? Or we conclude the session? Okay then. Yeah, thank you all. So we finally conclude that. Yeah, triple IT have some sports facility and gym. You can go if you have time. Like mostly all sport area play. Same.